The iPhone Charge Lightning Cable combined with a keychain, bottle opener, and aluminum carabiner is a clever and compact gadget designed for people who want to carry essential tools in one small portable device. This product is aimed at iPhone users, specifically compatible with models like iPhone X, 8, 7, and 6S. It offers a multifunctional approach by integrating a charging cable, keychain organizer, bottle opener, and a carabiner for easy attachment to keys or bags. The design is compact, measuring approximately 3 inches in length and weighing just under 1.5 ounces, making it easy to carry without adding bulk. One of the most appreciated features of this product is the emergency lightning charger sync cable. It is cleverly concealed within the keychain, allowing users to have a charging cord on hand whenever they are on the go. This is especially useful for those who frequently find themselves needing a quick charge but do not want to carry a full-size cable. The cable is short, which some users find limiting for extended use, but it serves well for quick top-ups from power banks, car USB ports, or airport charging stations. The compactness means it fits easily in pockets, bags, or attached to key rings without tangling or fuss. The cable organizer function is well thought out. The product is designed to prevent tangling, and the mechanism for putting the cable back in place is smooth and efficient. This is a significant advantage over traditional cables that often get knotted or damaged when carried loosely. The keychain function is solid, with an aluminum carabiner that provides a sturdy and reliable way to attach the device to keys, backpacks, or belt loops. This ensures it stays firmly connected and is always accessible. The bottle opener is reinforced with lightweight metal, making it durable yet easy to carry. It offers excellent lever action and is practical for everyday use, whether at home, outdoors, or social gatherings. This adds a useful tool to the keychain without compromising its portability. In terms of build quality, the product is generally well made. Many users have praised its durability, with some reporting that their first purchase lasted several years. The product has a modern and sleek look, which makes it an attractive mini gift for tech-savvy friends or family members. It is particularly recommended for teenagers or young adults who might need to connect their phones to laptops or desktops at school or work and appreciate having a handy charging cable on their keyring. However, there are some drawbacks. The cable length is very short, which limits its use to quick charges rather than extended use. Some users have expressed disappointment with the small clip provided for the keyring, suggesting that a larger clip would be more practical for everyday use. Additionally, there have been reports of the cable failing after several months of use, with the device no longer charging Apple products despite appearing intact. This raises questions about the long-term reliability of the cable itself compared to more traditional charging cords. Despite these concerns, many users find this gadget invaluable for travel and daily life. It fits well in cars, hotel rooms, airports, and anywhere a USB port is available, eliminating the need to carry bulky cables. It is also a popular gift choice, especially for those who frequently borrow charging cables from others. The price point is reasonable, making it an accessible accessory for many. Overall, the iPhone Charge Lightning Cable Keychain with bottle opener and carabiner is a smart, multifunctional gadget that combines convenience, portability, and utility. It is perfect for iPhone users who want a compact charging solution that also serves as a key organizer and bottle opener. While it may not replace a full-length charging cable for heavy use, it excels as an emergency or travel accessory. The product's modern design, practical features, and reasonable price make it a recommended purchase for those who value multifunctionality and portability. Users are encouraged to leave their own reviews to help others make informed decisions and to support the community of users who rely on this handy gadget.